Heaven is not your final home, and most people never stop to question that statement. They hear it and feel uncomfortable, because it shakes something they have relied on for years. Comfort fades when truth arrives. And this truth was never meant to make people feel safe. It was meant to make them ready. From the first breath God gave to man, his intention was clear. Man was formed from the ground, not from the clouds. The earth was not a mistake. The body was not a prison. Creation was not temporary in God's design. Only sin made it fragile. God placed authority into human hands and said, "Rule, multiply, guard, and expand." He did not say escape. He did not say endure until death. He said reign. But when sin entered, fear entered with it. And where fear lives, misunderstanding grows. Man began to hide from God. And over time, man began to imagine a future without responsibility, without rulership, without accountability. Heaven slowly became a destination of relief instead of a place of waiting. The kingdom slowly became a forgotten promise. Yet scripture never changed. Every prophet pointed forward, not upward. They spoke of a restored land, a righteous ruler, a reign without end, a world made new. They spoke of nations judged, justice restored, and peace enforced by truth. Jesus stood in the middle of history and confirmed it all. He spoke of his return more than his departure. He spoke of judgment more than comfort. He spoke of obedience more than belief. And he spoke of preparation more than escape. Many heard him but did not listen. Many followed him but did not surrender. Many believed in miracles but ignored his warnings. Jesus said the Son of Man would return at an hour no one expects. He compared his return to a thief, not because he steals, but because he arrives suddenly and exposes what was hidden. This should terrify careless faith. Because sudden arrival means unfinished preparation is dangerous. It means delayed obedience becomes regret. It means faith postponed becomes faith lost. The parables were not stories for entertainment. They were warnings disguised as simplicity. 10 virgins waited, all believed, all expected the bridegroom, but only half were ready. The others were not rejected for disbelief. They were rejected for lack of preparation. This truth alone should silence every argument that heaven is automatic. Jesus spoke of servants given responsibility. Some multiplied what they were given. Some buried it. The punishment was not annihilation. It was loss, shame, and exclusion from joy. The Master said, "Enter into the joy of your Lord," to some. To others, he said nothing comforting at all. These words were spoken to servants, not strangers. This is the part many Christians avoid. The kingdom is not democratic. It is hierarchical. Authority is distributed based on faithfulness. Not everyone rules. Not everyone reigns. Heaven is equal rest. The kingdom is unequal reward. Paul understood this fear. He disciplined himself, not because he doubted God, but because he feared disqualification. If an apostle feared missing reward, how much more should modern believers fear complacency? Resurrection is coming. Not everyone wants to think about it, because resurrection removes excuses. Resurrection means the body matters. Time matters. Choices matter. Hidden things are revealed. God is not restoring spirits only. He is restoring creation. The earth groans, waiting. Not for destruction, for redemption. The idea that God will abandon his creation contradicts everything he has revealed about himself. He restores what is broken. He redeems what is fallen. He judges what resists. When Christ returns, the kingdoms of this world will fall. Authority will shift. Power will be reassigned. Those who lived for comfort will be exposed. Those who endured faithfully will be honored. This is why fear is healthy. Fear of the Lord is not terror of punishment. It is awareness of holiness. It is understanding that God is not casual. Grace is free. Inheritance is earned. Salvation is a gift. Reign is a responsibility. Many believers confuse these two, and that confusion will cost them deeply. Jesus said many will be least in the kingdom. Least does not mean absent. It means present with loss. Imagine seeing the king face to face, knowing you could have done more. Imagine realizing time was wasted. Imagine regret with eternity ahead. This is not preached because it is heavy. But heavy truth produces strong faith. Heaven does not erase accountability. It pauses it. Judgment waits. The books will be opened. Lives will be reviewed. Motives exposed. Faith tested. Some works will shine like gold. Some will vanish like smoke. The kingdom is coming whether people believe it or not. Belief does not create truth. Truth demands response. The greatest tragedy will not be unbelievers surprised by judgment. It will be believers surprised by loss. This message is not meant to condemn. It is meant to prepare. God warns before he acts. He speaks before he moves. He calls before he closes the door. Heaven is not the final home. It is the waiting place. The final home is a restored world under a righteous king. And only those shaped by obedience will rule within it. Time is shorter than people think. Delay is mercy, not permission. If this message unsettles you, do not silence it. Let it work, let it correct, let it awaken, because the king is coming. The kingdom is near, and eternity will remember what you did with the truth. He who has ears to hear, let him hear.